Hi, it's Damon here with Insurance Scout Partners. So one of the questions we get a lot on our home insurance policies from our clients is, how can I save money on my home insurance policy? One area that we look at and review with them closely is the contents. It is an area where there's a lot of premium in the content section, specifically for replacement cost value on your contents. So let's say, for example, you have replacement cost value on your contents. If something were to happen to those contents due to a covered peril, let's say, for example, fire, smoke, burglary, sometimes water losses from pipe damage can also cause some damage to the bottom of the contents of the feet. We could change that from replacement cost to actual cash value. What does that mean for you? It just means that you will not get like, kind, and quality at today's value, which is replacement cost, versus actual cash value, which is depreciated cost on your contents. So if your couch is 3 years old, you bought it for $3,000 3 years ago, depreciates by 10%, you now have a couch that the insurance company would look at for $2,100. So it's not at like, kind, and quality today's value, it is depreciated. So that is a good way to save money. You still have coverage for your contents, you just don't have replacement costs on it. You'll have actual cash value. Another place is the amount of contents coverage you have. Most policies default to 50% contents, which, for example, if you have 400,000 in dwelling coverage, your contents then would be 200,000. Most people don't have that amount of contents. We could reduce that down to 25% and give you 100,000. And that just comes from review, questions, exploring what you currently have and what you need.